solar panel investment analysis. Let's say I want to have a solar panel of 4 kilowatt system for my house, and it's going to cost about $12,000, and then it will save about $1,200 per year on electricity bill. And if the panel comes with a 25-year replacement warranty, however, there is a part called microconverter that is used to produce or work with that panel to produce electricity. That only comes with 10-year warranty, and that costs about $5,000 parts and labor for that 4 kilowatt system. And assume that it's going to be replaced by the end of year 15. It comes with a 10-year warranty. We're expecting it's going to last a little bit more than that. Assume it's going to go up to 15 years. At the end of 25 years, the panel will have no value, and a disposal cost will be around $100. So is the panel justifiable based on the payback period analysis? Can it be justifiable by the internal rate of return analysis? So if that's the question, so I have copied that. Basically, I have developed the cash flow table based on that description. So you're going to invest $12,000, going to get back $1,200 each month. And at the year 15, you're going to get $1,200. However, you need to replace the microconverter for $5,000. So actually, $3,800 is going out of pocket. And at the end of 25 years, you will get $100 less, because that $100 is going to cost to dispose this thing. Now, to calculate the simple payback is the annual cash flow, the investment divided by so payback is simply the total investment divided by the annual cash flow. So it's 10 years. It's showing negative because of that, so we can make it positive like that. So basically 10 years. Now, according to the payback period analysis, any project is justifiable if it's under 3 years for US industry. However, if it's an home project, let's say this $12,000 is sitting in your bank doing nothing, you're not investing on anything. So if you invest that, your money will come back in 10 years, basically. And then you're going to get at least this rest of the years almost. So it's going to generate more. Even you have some expense coming at year 15, but that's only $5,000. So by 10 years, you'll get your money back. So that panel is basically free now. So then you still have 15 years. And then you only is spending $5,000, but you are going to get 15 times 12, which is a lot of money. So it is justifiable if the money is not doing anything. However, according to industry standard, if this is an industrial project, then it is not justifiable based on the payback period analysis. It has to be 3 years or less. But if it's your money sitting in the bank doing nothing, not investing, it is a justifiable project. You'll say that in the rate of return. So if you calculate the IRR, internal rate of return, simply you can do IRR and then calculate that, and you can see 7%, which is a lot. Sitting money in the bank doing nothing, instead you're getting 7% return from this investment. So it makes sense. But if it's an industrial project, which sometimes about 20% minimum attractive rate of return, so 7% is a very low rate of return. Even stock will yield more than that. So not just an industrial investment project. However, again, if it's not doing anything, money sitting in the bank, so then it's a good investment. If this money is making 7% or less in long term, let's say you're investing on something, but if it's making 7% or less, this investment is better than that. So it is justifiable.